A replacement case for your AirPods Pro. Let's check it out. Dave Taylor here with my Apple AirPods Pro, or, well, maybe these are my Apple AirPods Pro. Suffice to say, I really like my AirPods Pro. I think the ANC is the huge win with those, but they're just easy to work with and comfortable. However, the case, if it gets damaged, is an expensive replacement part from Apple. It is half the cost of your AirPods Pro, and they're pretty spendy. So, when this company reached out and said, hey, we have a replacement AirPods case, you should check these out, I thought, that is fascinating. So these are the replacements. This is the Fogud AirPods Pro replacement charging case. Now, let me show you some close-ups so you can see just how similar it is to the actual Apple case. The only difference is that the Apple case actually has "Made by Apple" printed in super tiny print on the very back. Otherwise, USB-C for charging and wireless charging. It has a lanyard space on the side, and it does, I will show you. So I have a little charging pad here, and if you listen, there we go. That bing tells you that it's wirelessly charging. So it really is a functional replacement. Not only that, but you can actually pair it with your phone. So let me actually do this in order. We're going to do a little experiment here. So I'm going to show you what I see on my phone. And I learned something very interesting about how these all pair. So one of the cool things about the AirPods is that they have low power Bluetooth that your phone can see. So this is an iPhone 15 Pro, and if I open up the case right next to it, then it says, oh, you haven't paired these. Would you like to pair them with this phone? And these are, print on the back, these are the Apple ones. Now I'm going to take the actual earpieces out, and now we'll put that down and I'll open it again. Doesn't do anything, right? So you can only pair it with your phone if you have the earbuds in it. So now we're going to switch to the Fogud unit. And again, that's not going to do anything, but if I put the earbuds in, then I can connect it to my phone. So let's do that. So I'm going to hold the button on the back. It does have that same charging button. Connecting, I'll set this up later, and we're going to use it with Find My, and I'm not interested in getting Apple Music, so we're good to go. And now notice it reports the battery level of the case and of the earbuds, and if I just put them in my ear and then pick some music, then very nice. So I am enjoying the music already. That's super easy to work with. And so let me stop this recording. And as you can see, it's remarkably compatible. And I think perhaps there's a little difference in weight, but it's pretty negligible. What I really like about this is, well, put the Apple one down. What I really like about this is that it is so much less expensive. So if you're someone who's prone to losing things or damaging things, this is a really nice alternative. It is compatible with first and second generation AirPods Pro. I'm going to put these buds back in, let them charge a little bit. And it has USB-C charging, Qi wireless charging. It has that pairing sync button. As you saw, it works exactly identical to the actual AirPods case from Apple. 660 milliamp hour battery gives you 4x earbud charging, so very similar characteristics to the Apple unit. The one thing is I am guessing, I haven't experimented, but I'm guessing that it doesn't have the U1 chip that Apple has put into the latest generation of its cases, so you have what they call precision finding in Find My. But I have to say, I have had AirPods Pro, at least a decade, different models. I have never used Find My to find them. I have occasionally lost them and wandered around and actually had them show up on the table in the other room or something, but I've never used Find My. So not having precision finding and having just regular Find My, I'm not sure that really matters. But what does matter is that these are a remarkably lower priced alternative, which gives you a little bit of freedom to decide whether you want to go with the high priced Apple solution, which of course is maximally compatible because it's from Apple, or if you want to save literally up to 75% of that cost, well, 66% of that cost, by going with this third-party unit. So definitely great to know this is that compatible. A few people have reported that this tends to get very hot doing wireless charging. I've wirelessly charged it. I haven't experienced that issue myself. Your experience may vary. Overall, if you have a trash damage, you can't charge whatever, there's something going on with your AirPods Pro case, first gen or second gen, these are a solid alternative to check out. Now, let's talk about the price because that's really important. But before we get there, I'm going to ask you to subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and click on that subscribe button. Hit that bell icon for notifications. And if you found this of value, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Really appreciate that. Sweet. This is the Fogud AirPods Pro replacement charging case. It is $31.99 at Amazon.com. versus the Apple AirPods Pro charging case replacement from Apple will run you $99. So $31, $99, 99% the same functionality. I'm pretty sure which ones I know I would go with if I needed a replacement. That's all I got. I'm going to go back to my music, so I'll catch you in my next video.